just want to thank the government for helping us through this time. So, thanks very much for.
Thank you very much for the helping, and we all husband and wife staying here, so we can't go anywhere because you people help me a lot. God bless you. Thank you very much.
Nakatato nga wali na kalona singin ko abi na maten tu na nabi buken ni sa weekend ng nang ragibanggo sa doon naman binak wali utan na nakakana na doon maten tu SAVT sa Raralevu and Sakoca na router nga wi community leso na Raralevu.
Teman tahu beberapa penatang na lulus matin tu, batikar nakian na bi tempat nakian ni, rating terapi cukup benar tempat ni bola, na memisuta bicu na lini benua na bukan ni bi kantal kotorum bocongko, kima mi sampai tinggal mungkin kima mi wasos ini kakana, aris ini ratu sulit cuma matin tu, sa dora kan mi baru nak, irani tapi kima mi nabi buke, mi nabi benua kima bicukin ko na ni benua. And then the kadal odrum chuko sharni yada ke chana be bukena kabnani ko.
I would like to thank Fiji government, Fiji First for the ration we received in Sakoca settlement, and Raralevu for this pandemic time, hard times you guys helping us, and from my family, from all of the settlement people, would like to thank you very much for whatever we have received today.
My name is Suva-Nausori. Originally I'm from Namusi. I'm working in Fiji Hardwood Corporation and I'm staying in Sakoca. I would like to send my sincere thanks to the government of Fiji for the big help you given to us today during these hard times of COVID-19. It's engaging us at home. So once again, I would like to thank the government of Fiji. Raralevu.
This is a great thing for us to have you guys here. It's I think that this will empower all of us, because most of the times we plant and eat from the garden. Yeah, that's it. I would like to thank the government, Dr. James Fong for everything, and the Prime Minister, Barangay Marama for sharing everything that he has.